Namaste. Welcome you all to the 9 steps, the Navapada meditation. This is Vedashvapati Alok Awasthi. I'm here to take you through the 9 steps, the Navapada of Kapi meditation. We all have different life path. We all experience different situations in our life. We all feel different emotions in our life. From childhood to old age, we have so many desires, so many dreams we want to fulfill, we want to achieve. There are so many goals. But when we are trying to concentrate, when we are trying to focus on that one thought, on that one goal, we experience so much noise around us. Now today, I'm trying to focus on you, I'm trying to talk to you. But what if someone in the neighborhood starts shouting? Now I will get distracted, or you will get distracted. And if that happens, then the flow of the conversation will break down. The same thing happens with us and our dreams. When we are trying to focus on the dreams, some noise from the surrounding, it breaks our focus, it breaks our concentration. And then we get this fickle mind which is not able to recognize the goal. So someone wanted to become a pilot. The girl, she was studying hard. She had the goal. This is a little child in a school, and she just saw someone who is a pilot and she just dreamed of it. She had the goal, yes, this is my mission. I have to become a pilot for my inner happiness. This is a child with a goal, with a purpose of life. She starts working hard day and night. She completes her schooling. And when she enters in college, she experiences some noises in the surroundings. Some people are asking to go and do the bad things. Some people are asking to just enjoy other things in life. Now the child was focused. But the same child now has a fickle mind, lost in the partying, in the drugs, in the alcohol, and so many other things. Now later on, she suddenly wakes up. And she realizes that no, what I was doing is wrong. My focus, my goal, that was to become a pilot. I have to do that. Since the previous life, she had this desire, this goal to become a pilot. In this life, she decided to do it, but due to the noises in the surroundings, she was not able to do it. And when she woke up, she looked at herself. Now she is 36 or 37. She cannot become a pilot anymore because of the rules of government. The age bar, she has exceeded that. What to do now? Then she either become someone working in the airport or something. She is around that place. She is working at the airport, but it is far away from her goal. I know for many of you, becoming a pilot is just a small thing, but for that girl, it can be a lot. A child who wanted to connect with people, A single child, lost in the house, feeling alone, want a company, want friends. The child is growing with a vision, with a dream to have a company, to have people around. But later on, due to the noises in the surroundings, the child was focused on work. The child became workaholic, and the dream was lost. And later on in life, when they realized that no, this was not my goal to earn so much money. Okay, I am a billionaire. So what? I do not find happiness in this wealth. My mission, my purpose, my goal was to earn people in my life, to have those pure, those genuine relationships, not these piece of paper. But now it is too late. The person has lost so many years, but still there is a chance they can change now. They can change. They can start earning people, but only if they decide. If you look at your life, you will see that all of us have lost our purpose. We were distracted by the noises in the surroundings and we have lost our focus. Meditation is not about blocking your mind. Meditation is not about avoiding these noises in the surroundings. Meditation is not about just focusing on your breath and forget about everything in the surrounding. No, it is not. Meditation is the way to activate the Rishi element in you. What is the Rishi element? Rishi element, Nirukta says, Rishi element is the logic, Vivek, Tark. It is the logic, it is the ability to question something. One of my students came and asked me, Acharya, this fire ritual is also creating carbon dioxide, isn't it? I said, yes, it is. And she said, then how you can say it is all healthy? If we breathe this carbon dioxide, we may die. Now the child asked a question. Then I asked her to run some test on the fire ritual. She took some help from some laboratory and they ran a test. Then they confirmed that the carbon dioxide which is getting produced by the fire ritual is less than how much carbon dioxide we humans generate. It is so less. Whereas the oxygen and other positive gases, they are too much in quantity. Now the child understood why the fire ritual is so helpful, so healthy for us, why it is the essential part of Vedic life. But it was only possible because the child questioned. That is the ability which makes you a rishi. But how we all can become a rishi, how we can find the solution of our problems in life by meditation. This is the purpose of this conversation today. We have these 9 steps. Since my childhood, I was attracted by the Vedic culture. I was attracted by the divine energies. At the age of 12, I started reading and correcting the Vedic scriptures. And again, whenever I tried to meditate, I tried to connect with some meditation guru or some meditation technique, I failed. That was heartbreaking for me. I was trying to block my mind, but my mind was never able to block itself. Every guru said, you can never do meditation. I'm sure. Many of you must have experienced this. When you go to a meditation guru and they tell you that you are not meant for it. Your mind you cannot control, you cannot shut it down. And your heart breaks and you go into that inferiority complex. Your mind starts thinking you are not worthy of meditation. But is it? Then why God gave the knowledge of meditation to humans? And this one question when came into my mind, I started digging deep into it. I started researching. I started connecting with the ancient lineage of the gurus. And on the spiritual plane, from my subconscious, when I connected with them, I received this divine knowledge which I am sharing with you all today.